Hello, everyone. I hope you guys had a wonderful day and made some really good trades. Let's dive right into the analysis here. Again, we're going to be covering GME as per my schedule here. Again, GME updates are every Tuesday and Thursday, so tune in for those of you who are, big fans of the stock. So, what's going on? Tomorrow we got the job report is coming out. We got big data. I told you guys to be careful. We're impulsing up. Again, we were going to run into some big resistance, down sloping trend line, gap fill. Lots of, you know, lots of things adding up here. What is that word I'm looking for? Points of interest? No. Anyways, I can't, I'm tongue tied and I'm really tired, but I'm going to do the video for you guys. So right now, we're looking for an ABC move down. It could be a crash correction on the smaller time frames. I do have some positive news for you guys though. So we are actually potentially inside of a 1-2 setup. If it was to end, it would end pretty soon. I'm guessing, based on a fib retrace, we're at the 618 and the 668 is right underneath there. They could push it down a little bit, stop some people out. And then we get over, I want to head over to Wave Edge to kind of show you guys what I was seeing here. So nothing has really changed fundamentally on the bigger time frames. It's when you get on the smaller time frames that you're starting to see, look at the 15-minute, you're starting to see smart money buying up GME. Okay, is some news gonna come? What's gonna happen? I don't know. However, I want to note, to you guys that when these levels failed, though, when we're up, or was it again? I think it was up here. It was a low risk, high reward setup. We were seeing, I think, a lot of buying coming in as well, right? But the problem is when we broke that pivot, I stopped out of my trade. I told you guys I was getting out as well, and it proceeded to fall down much lower. It dropped another 16% from where we were. And all along the way, big buying was stepping in, and they continued to buy the dip and continued to buy the dip until they finally hit a low, obviously, and then we rallied from there, right? After that big gap down here. So it's not to say like, oh, we're gonna crash and it's not gonna work out. No, not at all. Like it's not to say that we're gonna continue to fall and these buy signals are just gonna continue to appear. Like we got a good chance right now because you're at a fib retrace now. Whoops. You got some big buying coming in on the smaller time frames, and it could bleed into the larger ones as well tomorrow if you do see some big upside and you finally break out of this down sloping trend line. And I'm gonna sneeze. I'm not gonna edit that out. Leave it in there. And the weekly time frame right now on Market Cipher still has that green dot. Again, we have yet to confirm it. Only a day left in the weekly time frame. And then we take a look at the 4-day. Also looking a little bit more bullish because you got red money flow recovering slowly but surely. So that's why we're in this chop. We're in this consolidation phase. We're building long positions. The longs are accumulating. In my opinion, that's what's going on here. 3-day also looking quite good. Red money flows coming back up. 2-day time frame. Ooh, okay, so this is where it gets a little bit dicey. The 2-day is not looking good at all. You got a red diamond, bearish dual band strength index numbers. However, what you got going for you is that you got green money flow. It's green, so that means life. It's good for the stock. You got money flowing into the asset class. A little bit on a more bearish note, daily time frame. You got bearish dual band strength index numbers, 15 and -3. You got a red dot confirmation. However, the numbers are weakening a little bit. We'll have to see what tomorrow's candle is going to be. 4-hour time frame, again, red money flow. Not that crazy, but we'll see what the market has in store for us. Obviously, the job numbers are going to be a big impact on the market. 1-hour time frame, you already got a green dot, and you can get to the smaller time frames, and it looks a little bit more worse because there's lots of red money flow and stuff like that. You can even get on this extremely smaller time frames, like the 5-minute. You're recovered basically all the red money flow back into the green. and or at the zero line. So maybe we get a pump tomorrow, but we'll see. Because you guys, we're getting to that point again where it's a high risk, high reward setup, right? If you do end up dropping, just remember, like, I do stop out of my trades. I don't hold forever bleeding down and down and down. But I think the line in the sand really is $17.70. Even though I wouldn't hold that long though. I would probably stop out before. If it gets back down to 1932, I will stop out. But I'm actually interested in getting into a trade tomorrow on GameStop. So maybe we'll buy it pre-market, maybe we'll buy it at the open, we'll see. But I will let you guys know inside the Discord. And for those of you who do want to join, there's a free way to join now. Well, I mean, I say free, but if you sign up with FTMO and you email me your information about like the account that you signed up with, the account number, then I'll be more than happy to let you inside the Discord for free. I also post, that's where I post my GME trades there as well. All right, have a good night, guys. Peace.